The MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR delivers a powerful gaming experience in a surprisingly compact package. Featuring an 8GB GDDR6 video memory and a 256-bit memory interface, this card balances speed and efficiency to handle the latest titles with ease. Its boost clock reaches up to 1755 MHz, giving you smooth gameplay even in demanding scenarios. Many gamers have been waiting for prices to drop back to MSRP, and now is the perfect moment to grab this card. Unlike larger models that can require costly upgrades to your PC case and cooling system, the MSI 3070 offers a shorter footprint, making it easier to fit into existing setups without extra hassle or expense. One standout feature is the dual fan design, which is thicker but shorter than previous models like the MSI 1070. This means you get reliable cooling in a smaller form factor. While it can run a bit warm, reaching 84 to 86 degrees Celsius in tighter cases, adjusting the fan priority with MSI Afterburner keeps temperatures manageable during long gaming sessions. What really sets this card apart is its ability to maintain high clock speeds even when running cooler than standard 3070 models. By prioritizing temperature over power consumption, you get stable performance without overheating, ensuring your rig stays quiet and efficient under load. If you're looking for a graphics card that fits comfortably in your current build without sacrificing power, the MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR is worth a look. It offers the performance you expect from a 3070 while avoiding the bulk and extra costs associated with larger cards. This card's DisplayPort 1, 4A and HDMI 2.1 outputs provide versatile connectivity for multiple monitors or high-resolution displays, enhancing your gaming or creative setup. Whether you're upgrading or building fresh, the MSI 3070 fits the bill for gamers who want solid performance in a smaller frame. Keep in mind, if you're sensitive to heat, simple software tweaks can optimize your experience. MSI Afterburner lets you control fan speeds and temperature targets, so you can game comfortably without worrying about thermal throttling. In short, the MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR offers a balance of power, size, and cooling efficiency that makes it a smart choice for gamers ready to upgrade. If that's you, this card delivers what you need without unnecessary compromises.